Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to do an overview and a review and a little bit of a tutorial of this pressure washer, this electric pressure washer. This thing puts out 3,000 PSI and it comes in a box. It has 6 screws. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver, a small one. And it assembles in probably 5 minutes. It is fairly lightweight. You know, this is with it being currently hooked up to a water source. Very lightweight. Has a handle here you can grip everything on. It not only comes with one, but it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 different nozzles that will give you either a stream like this or up to 15, 25, and 40 degrees as far as the fan width. Has a quick disconnect right here. Just pop it off, put it back in here. Kind of cool that this has the handle right here, has it right here. So you don't have to like worry about losing these. Swap it out, pull it out, push it in, lock it in, and you are good to go. This is the 40 degree fan. This also comes with an optional foam cannon, soap foam cannon. Pretty easy to adjust. You just give it a little squeeze, pop this off. You take the new one with the suds of your choice, put it in there, locks in like this, kind of spring loaded inside. Check out the foaming action on this thing. It's crazy. I mean, this thing will put out some serious foam. Obviously, it's going to dictate by what type of shampoo you use for the old vehicle, but very legit. Let's just put it that way. The cable here, the high pressure hose cable is 33 feet long. It does come with a power cord that goes from the machine over to wherever you're plugging it in. That's also 33 feet long. This can be quickly disconnected with a push of a button right here, and then it releases. And then to reinstall, you just push it in with the water turned off, locks in place, and you're good to go. It also has here a lock to prevent it from accidentally going off. Just a little push of the button, and you can't turn it on. So if you don't want somebody else to kind of grab it while you're using it, you can be like, hey, lock that in, and let's say little ones are running around and they can't go over there and play with it and get to, go to town on it. Up close, this comes with a kind of a loop to loop all your cables around. You have some handle here if you want to, just have this stuck in place while you're not using it. You also have a cable wrap around here for your power cord. You also have another cable management right here on the end. Power of this thing at 3,000 PSI is very strong. And when using it on a vehicle, as long as you're mindful of what nozzle you're using. So for example, probably wouldn't use the 0 degree radius because that's just like shooting a straight shot of like high pressure water, but it works perfect when washing vehicles. Just works fantastic. Also, one thing to note is that the cord on this doesn't really kink very easily, which is kind of nice because sometimes these are just like a pain to kind of wrap up. Very high grade, woven, high pressure hose. Easy to kind of move around. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you give us a little overview? Tell us what you think about our electric 3,000 PSI pressure washer. Hopefully, any and all of your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.